Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to redeem the Best Buy gift cards or discount codes on your computer. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to redeem Best Buy gift cards or discount code on Best Buy itself, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in bestbuy.com like this and hit enter. Then you'll be redirected to this page where you'll be first required to log into your Best Buy account. To do that, click on account over here, and after that click on sign in, and after that you'll be redirected to this page where you will be required to enter your email address and your password over here with which you had registered on Best Buy at the time of creating your account. Or you can sign into your Best Buy account with the web authentication or Apple or a Google ID. With that being said, let's click on sign in because my computer had autofilled my credentials over here. And you can see there is the add to cart button and you can see there is the add to cart button available over here, which is in the yellow. When you scroll down on the side of the screen, click on add to cart and it will be added to cart. And let's go to cart. You can see this kind of box will appear to go to cart, or you can simply click on cart on the top right corner of your screen. And after going to your card, let's close this and let's close this. You can see the MacBook Pro or the MacBook Air 13.3 over here. Now to redeem your Best Buy gift card or the discount coupon, you will be required to click on the checkout button available at the right side of your screen. You can see order summary, click on checkout, and after that you'll be redirected to this page, or let's close this, where you'll be able to change your pickup location here as well, but we'll not be doing that. Let's scroll down and you can see the continue to payment information. When you scroll down over here, click on continue to payment information, and after that when you land on this page, you can see use a Best Buy gift card, store credit or discount code option or the button available over here, where I'm hovering. Click over there and this kind of empty box will appear where you'll be required to enter your card number or discount code over here. And if you want, you will be required to enter your PIN. This box will be available to you, and click on apply. Then your order will be redeemed, or your card will be redeemed over here. And guys, this is how you redeem your gift cards or your discount codes on Best Buy. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding your topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.